name's Joe Inslee. I'm excited to have you on my channel. We're going to look at a funny question today, how to use your Bible to catch a thief. So most of you YouTubers know that a lot of our YouTube videos are made to answer a question. You try to find out what people are asking, and then you make a YouTube video to answer that question. So I was looking this up on Google, and I looked up how to use the Bible to, and then I saw this coming up in the suggestions. Guys, people are Googling this. They want to know how to use their Bible to catch a thief.
I don't know. Throw it at them?
So to be fair, I did a little research on this, and God does take theft seriously. We see in Joshua chapter 7 the story of Achan. Achan steals, God gets him found out. It doesn't go well for Achan or his family. You can also trek over to 1 Samuel and look at Eli and his sons are kind of stealing from the temple. Now in that case, they're stealing directly from God, so I don't know if there's a human comparison here, but God is not happy with Eli's son. As I did my research though, I came into Matthew chapter 19 and the parable of the rich young ruler. If Jesus had to answer the question of how to use your Bible to catch a thief, I think this is the passage he would go to. This parable, it's Jesus and the young ruler in Matthew chapter 19. And the young man comes to Jesus and he wants to be saved, and he talks about how he's kept all the commandments, and Jesus says, go sell all your possessions and follow me, and then you'll be good. And the rich guy goes away sad because he cared way too much about his stuff to follow Jesus. Sound familiar? And while we're on that subject, we have to bust over to Luke chapter 12. Starting in verse 31, Jesus says this, but seek his kingdom, and these things will be provided for you. Don't be afraid, little flock, because your Father delights to give you the kingdom. Sell your possessions and give to the poor. Make money bags for yourselves that won't grow old, an inexhaustible treasure in heaven, where no thief comes near and no moth destroys. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. And I think that truly answers the question of how to use your Bible to catch your thief.
You read your Bible and you get over it.
So yeah, the Bible does help you catch a thief. I mean, scenario A, you catch a thief and he's stealing your stuff. You take your giant King James Bible and you hurl it at the guy and you knock him down and you get your stuff back. But outside of that, the only way the Bible is going to help you catch a thief is to help you fix your priorities and not care about your stuff so much and put your treasure in the kingdom of heaven where nobody gets to steal it, and it's the kind of stuff that God cares about.